Getting a tattoo is a lifetime commitment that should be carefully considered before it is done. Unfortunately, many people often regret the decision to get a tattoo and decide to remove it. Tattoo removal methods like lasers, excision, and dermabrasion can be costly. However, with hydrogen peroxide tattoo removal, you can save money on medical procedures with a few home ingredients. Hydrogen peroxide is a common household item that can be used as a home tattoo removal ingredient. It's known to lighten the ink or the pigmentation of the tattoo to a certain extent. All you have to do is dip a cotton swab on the hydrogen peroxide, then rub it on your tattoo consistently 4 times a day. You can also use this solution over the tattooed area after you scrub the area with salt. It's popular for its antiseptic properties and also helps to prevent infection. You can even ask your tattoo artist to use their tattoo machine to deliver hydrogen peroxide deep within your skin so the ink beneath will fade as well. Remember, hydrogen peroxide tattoo removal isn't an easy fix. It will take time and effort for the ink to fade. However, consistency is key for this method to work. You need to make sure the natural method is applied daily, otherwise it won't work to bleach the ink. Do you want to learn more natural tattoo removal methods to get rid of your tattoo?